Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video we'll be talking about breaker blocks. Let me show you the charts before I start to explain. So breaker blocks are formed when price is in an uptrend like this, and then here it breaks this structure, then it comes back to this level, again this level, and then continues back down like this. Now let me explain. So here we have our break-off structure here. Here we have our BOS. Okay. And then here we have another break-off structure here, like this. And then here there's a change of character, or MSS, which is market structure shift. Here is our change of character right here. Okay, right. And then since it was in an uptrend, we are looking forward to taking a buy around here when there was an order block here. So this is our order block right here. Let me type in OB. Yes, yeah, this is our order block. This gray area is our order block, and we're looking for a buy, right? But then price broke this order block in an impulsive move, right? So when price comes back to this level, now extend this order block right here, and then price will come back, tap in our order block, and then go back down, and now it will be called a breaker block. So this is a breaker block, guys. So also in a downtrend it's also the same, but invert that downtrend, break off structure, downtrend, break off structure, and then change of character, and then takes out that other block, and then bounces back and continues back up. So now let me show you the live charts of how this looks. Right here we have it's V25 again. Let me look for an example for you guys of a breaker block. Is there an example here? Let me find an example. Let me look for an example. Okay, this one is an example, but it's not the best one. Let me just show you. Here, so the market was in a downtrend. You see these breakout structures. See breakout structure, and then we had change of character right here, right? And then this was an impulsive move, And then market came back down, right here, and then consolidated. And then there was liquidity here, which was taken out by this low right here. So I don't know about this, guys. This is just the general analysis. So and then when I come back to this order block right here, we extend. Let me make it more visible. Yeah, this order block right here, price consolidated, came back, and tapped into this order block and bought, right? And then it was supposed to come back and tap this order block, or this one right here. So this one was another order block right here. But then price is this one. This is not a valid order block. This one is the valid order block right here. Right. Let me show you. So right here. No, wait. Let me use the other order block. This one is not the best example. Let me use this one. Yes, this order block right here. Right, this order block right here. You see, price came here, tapped into the order block, it bought, hit the take profit, and came back down, gone up, broke structure right here, then came down, impulsively came down, and then it broke this order block right here instead of going up. But right here, it tapped the order block right here in our yellow area right there, and then it just bought. Just reacted. It didn't buy. Just reacted to this area, and then it didn't even reach the recent lower high, and then it broke this order block, right? So, like I explained before, price should come back and touch this, and then continue selling, right? But this wasn't the best example, right? Let me show you another example if I can find if I can find one. So let me try to find another example to make it clear for you guys. If you have any questions, guys, please don't hesitate. The comment section is there. Fee 75 in the hour one time frame. Hey, my network. Let me see if this chat can open. Yeah, it's opened now. Let me zoom in. Hey, I'm lost. Yeah, this is the chart. Fee 75. Now let me look for another example of a breaker block. Yeah, this is another example, but I'll show you another one. So right here in V75, you can see that market was in an uptrend, and then it was now in a downtrend like this. See, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? And then this by the change of character right here, right? This was a change of character. And this was an order block right here. This was an order block. An order block right there. So and then, but this is not the breaker block. This is just an order block. So then price broke structure right there, made a change of character. Then it came back, tapped here. And this was perfect trade. This was a good trade, and then it hit take profit right here on the recent higher high, and then it left this order block right here, right here. May delete this one, right? And then so this was another break of structure right here, from here to here. It was a break of structure, and then price came down. It was supposed to tap this order block and then buy. Then it broke. It's impossible. You can see these big red candles right here. It broke. Then unfortunately it did not tap into the breaker block. But yeah, you get the idea here. Price was supposed to tap in this zone and then continue with the sell. Right here. Let me find another example. The last one. Find an example. Yeah, let me try to find an example. Hey, these breaker blocks are so hard to spot. But if you catch a correct breaker block, you never go wrong. Let me see another example. Last one, then I'll end the video. Let me see here. Hey, these examples, guys. So to find. Hey, trying to look for another example. Another example of a breaker block, so that you guys can understand more of what we mean. Yes, this is another perfect example of a breaker block right here. The price was in a downtrend right here. Nice downtrend from there, downtrend. And then it was the change of character right here. right? And then this was the order block right here, and the price was supposed to tap this order block, like lower low, lower high, right? Yeah, price was supposed to tip this order block and then go down. But then look at what happened. An impulsive move to the upside, and then it just tapped, and then it broke this order block, right? Like it's nothing, just broke through, and then it came back and touched this order block. It entered the order block a bit, and then it continued up. It's a very good trade. So the thing is, many price action traders, let me delete this order block first before I show you, will put their entries there, the beginning of this candle to that, hoping that price will just tap and continue, but then they'll be liquidated here. That's when we enter the market and then continue with the uptrend. So guys, if that video was helpful to you, please leave a comment, like, share the video. I'll catch you in the next one.